Did you know your body locks up after death? And the reason why sounds like something out of a science fiction movie? When you die, your cells stop making ATP. ATP is basically the energy currency your body runs on. Every single process, including muscle movement, needs it to work. Here's where it gets strange. Your muscles are full of tiny protein motors called myosin. Normally, ATP tells those motors when to grip and when to let go. Without it, the motors freeze in the grip position. Every muscle in your body seizes up at once. That is rigor mortis. It sets in within 2 to 6 hours after death and peaks around 12 hours in. The whole body goes rigid like a statue. But then something unexpected happens. As decomposition begins, enzymes start breaking down those same proteins. The grip dissolves. The muscles go soft again, usually within 1 to 3 days. So your body locks itself shut, then quietly takes itself apart. No energy required for that last part.